Hey YouTubers, Flat Earth believers, globers, subscribers of my channel. Thanks for visiting this YouTube video again. I hope you like it. Have fun. So I encountered recently a nice fun fact. You all know that the mythology of the Flat Earth is basically based on the mythology of the Bible, and it states that the Earth is grounded on the foundation with 4 pillars on which the flat earth rests, and above turns the sun and the moon, and they turn at a rate given by God, and no man can change that. But what if I tell you that the rotation speed of the sun or the earth has changed? Yes, blame the Chinese. Ever since they built the Three Gorges Dam, slowly filling up, the axis of the Earth changed by 2 centimeters and the rotation speed changed with 0.06 microseconds. That's how accurate we can measure, and we have to blame the Chinese. We are turning slower now because of the mass of the Three Gorges Dam. Thank you. If you like this type of fun facts, let me know, and sup.